Wow, baka malaglag ka po. Ang galing mo. Si Din. Ang cute ng si Din. Oh, baka ka malaglag. Let's go to the chicken. Come on.
Chicken. Let's see. Let's count the chicken. Let's count the chicken.
How many chickens are there?
Cover your
Chicken.
nose. It's smelly.
What's that smell? Let's go inside. It's the chicken. It's a chicken coop. Ni Sayden.
Wow, there's a flower.
So beautiful, Cook. You're so pretty. What's that? There's a dog, Kain.
Painit ka na lang sa planggana.
Hanapin mo.
Kain!
Ang kapi. Bakit hep-hep ang tunog?
Your egg.
Wow.
Meron siya ditong sungay.
What's that?
Ay, yung naglalakad siya, hindi siya nakatingin.
Siya yan. Siya type yan.
Punta siyang right.
Are you guys looking for treasure or cat poop? Cat poop? Okay. What are you looking for?
Looking some fresh treasure.
You're looking for some treasure?
No way. No way. Actually,
No way.
how about the basketball to find it?
We don't have a ball.
Okay, let's find it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Whoa, yeah.
What if may bulati dyan?
Yeah. Oh,
By the beach or by the pool? By the pool. What did you find? You have some treasure already? What is it? What did you find? Aba, ano, magbabantay ba ako ng toddler or ng baby? Ay, crying say din. Wow, so many sand. Ayan, pag-aagawan ng shovel.
Ay, baba si Tatay Duyan. Dali, dali. Swing, swing. Swing, swing.
Gonna make a swing.
oh, monkey dog.
Naiingit siya sa shovel.
Gemma, baka mo, Gemma.
Oh, magtatabihan ko si Sayden. Wow. You have a shovel now. Yo, ate. What's that? Ah. No return policy.
Okay.
Nakabidyo ka, tapos isisend mo.
Hindi! Dun sinabi ko lang nung red.
Mom,
Oh!
green.
Ha?
Okay.
kay tatay. Swing, swing. Jenny, yung aso pag ginakagat-kagat.
Bye-bye, Kukuk. Bye-bye. Balik siya eh. Nakahat pa.
Come here. Cooking.
Where you going, Kukuk? Are you trying to find treasure? Are you looking for treasure?
Yan lang. O, di ba yung mga upuan niya? Nakakulong sa lumban.
Kukuk, where are you going?
Pero yung truck,
Kukuk,
saka yung
where are you
kahoy,
going?
nasa PCA na daw.
Where are you
Yung truck,
going?
saka yung kahoy.
Bye.
Tulungan daw siya ng mailabas yung truck.
Bye,
Hindi
Kukuk.
nagpapahuli yun. Wala nga yung pakialam sa mga ibang nagkakahoy.
Eh, yung anak mo nainggit. Ayun na sila, Kukuk. O, Jenny, ayun si Kain na. Ayan na si Kain.
Ayun po. Ayaw ng 200, Nay. Ayaw ng 200, 500.